I'm Arlogeshwari from First BComB, Department of Commerce. I'm studying KC's Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are seeing about economic growth and economic development. Meaning of underdeveloped economy. An underdeveloped economy is that economy in which, owing to the vicious circle of poverty, resources are not fully utilized. Per capita income remains low along with low standard of living of the people. Definition of underdeveloped economy. According to M.P. Tudaro, underdeveloped economy is that economy in which there are low level of living, absolute poverty, low per capita income, low consumption levels, poor health service, high death rates, high birth rates, and dependence on foreign economics. Meaning of economic growth. Economic growth can be defined as an increase in the capacity of an economy to produce goods and services compared from one period of time to another. Economic growth can be measured in nominal terms, which includes inflation, or in real terms, which are adjusted for inflation. Definition of economic growth. According to Henry Paulson, economic growth and environmental production are not at odds. They are opposite sides of the same coin if you are looking at longer term prosperity. Meaning of economic development. It is a process whereby an economy's real national income as well as per capita income increase over a long period of time. Here, the process implies the impact of certain forces which operate over a long period and embody changes in dynamic elements. It contains changes in resource supplies, in the rate of capital formation, in demographic composition, in technology, skills and efficiency, in institution and organizational setup. Definition of economic development. According to Peter Drucker, the ultimate resource in economic development is people. It is people, not capital or raw materials, that develop an economy. Final topic is difference between the economic growth and the economic development. First one is definition or meaning. Economic growth. It is the positive quantitative change in the output of an economy in a particular time period. Economic development. It considers the rise in the output in an economy along with the advancement of HDI index, which consider rise in living standards, advancement in technology and overall happiness index of a nation. Second one is concept. Economic growth is the narrower concept. Economic development is the broader concept. Third one is nature of approach. Economic growth is the quantitative in nature. Economic development is the qualitative in nature. Fourth one is scope. Economic growth rise in parameter like GDP, GNP, FDI, FII, etc. Economic development rise in life expectancy rate, infant improvement in literacy rate, infant mortality rate and poverty rate, etc. Fifth one is term tenure. Economic growth is short term in nature. Economic development is long term in nature. Sixth one is applicability. Economic growth is a developed nation. Economic development is a developing nation. Seventh one is measurement techniques. Economic growth is increase in national income. Economic development is increase in real income. For example, per capita income. Eighth one is frequency of occurrence. Economic growth in a certain period of time. Economic development is a continuous process. Ninth one is government aid. Economic growth. It is an automatic process, so may not require government support, aid or intervention. Economic development highly depend on government intervention as it includes widespread policy changes, so without government intervention it is not possible. Finally, 10th one is wealth distribution. Economic growth does not emphasizes on fair and equal distribution of wealth, income among all its people. Economic development, it focuses on balanced and equitable distribution of wealth among all individuals and try to uplift the downgraded societies. And thank you for watching this video.